Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's take another look here at SUI, see what's going on. Doing pretty well. I did not pull back to my desired entry zone there in like the 330 to 320 range, which is just fine. That ship has sailed, but good news is the price continued higher for those who got in. So great job on that. We're going to take a look at the back end liquidation data, kind of just see what's going on, and then quickly peek at the charts, give you some good areas of interest and kind of best practice for situations like this. If you're new to the channel, I got a trading academy, community, and signals group, link down below. Also join us over at Bitunix too, folks. They are phenomenal. No KYC or VPN. So from a macro perspective, we look on the right, we can see $4, $4.50. There's a lot going on to the upside here. A lot of shorts that could get hit pretty hard. But locally, the truth is the majority of local shorts just got swept upwards of 360. So there is that. Now, when we look at the half a billion dollars in liquidation long delta, this tells us a lot. Lets us know that we have a lot more people taking longs than shorts in this coin, which makes perfect sense. We've known this for a little while. And if we zoom in to our last 7 days of open interest, we'll be able to kind of see here the areas of support below the price. So 330 and 320 are those two areas. Big surprise, that's right there, the upper and lower range of that previous channel. Oftentimes you'll see a bullish backtest of those areas. So just say we get lucky and we see the 330 mark, that may be a good consideration for a long, pending Bitcoin isn't taking a complete nosedive to the ground floor. But between now and then, all in all, the general consensus here with altcoins right now is as long as Bitcoin maintains its range of 108 to 109K or higher, altcoins are going to continue to slowly progress higher. Bitcoin dominance is coming down. There's a lot of good signs here overall for altcoins. Now, when it comes to the overall sense here, we can see we're kind of squeezing between all three moving averages. So we're literally hanging out at the 200, under the 50, above the 20. So this is not like an optimal situation on the daily time frame. So still a little early here. I don't think we've fully broken bullish, but maintaining above 50 on the RSI is usually a good start. We're also converging on the MACD. That's a great sign as well. So more positive than negative on the daily, but some conflicting information on the moving averages. We got our 200-day SMA at 360, and if we see below the 20 and the 50-day SMA are below the price action. That's usually favorable, but just know we're going to have some resistance coming up to the 360, 370 range. We talked about that yesterday with that area of open interest above the price on the larger time frames. When we look here though, we can see everything's looking pretty solid here for a continuation higher, maintaining above our moving average. There's no reason why we should experience any significant correction here for SUI, pending once more Bitcoin doesn't dump on us. So that is the straight and narrow. That's kind of what's going on here with this coin. I'll post a play-out chart on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. That's available over here. Check it out if you'd like, and please consistently hit the like buttons on these videos and/or whichever social media platform you choose to follow me on. Really appreciate that. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.